Lights out in Tollywood. From Hyderabad's bustling film studios to OTT post-production hubs, everything has come to a screeching halt. As of August 4th, 2025, the Telugu film industry is officially on strike. But what has sparked this massive pause in one of India's biggest entertainment engines? Let's break down the biggest industry face-off Tollywood has seen in years. What happened? The Telugu Film Industry Employees Federation, representing over 30,000 workers, has walked off sets. From makeup artists to cinematographers, light technicians to set builders, these workers are the backbone of every blockbuster. Their demand? A 30% wage hike. Something they say is long overdue. Negotiations with the producers' council failed after weeks of talks, pushing them to halt all work from August 4th. No shoots, no edits, no trailers, just silence across the studios. What's at stake? This strike isn't just a blip, it's freezing some of Tollywood's biggest productions. SSMB 29 starring Mahesh Babu, Pushpa 2 The Rule with Allu Arjun, Junior NTR's upcoming Pan-India project, even OTT series and VFX heavy post-production work are stalled. With Dussehra and Diwali fast approaching, two of the industry's biggest release seasons, this delay could translate to crores in box office losses. Distributors, streaming platforms, theatre chains, the entire entertainment supply chain is holding its breath. Who's to blame? So who's at fault? Producers' side, they say skyrocketing costs and inflation have already stretched their budgets. A certain 30% wage hike could collapse medium-scale films entirely. Workers' side, they haven't seen a significant raise since 2022. Even though Tollywood's revenue has soared with pan-India hits, they argue it's not just about pay, it's about respect and recognition. Unless a third party like the film chamber or even the state government steps in, this deadlock could create a long-lasting rift in the industry. Why this matters across India? Tollywood isn't just a regional industry, it's a national powerhouse. Its stories are remade in Bollywood, its actors headline pan-India films, its content feeds OTT platforms like Netflix, Prime and Hotstar. A prolonged shutdown could delay Hindi-dubbed releases, leave streaming schedules dry, push Bollywood and Collywood workers to form their own wage protests. In short, a Tollywood standstill sends shockwaves through all of Indian cinema. This isn't just a wage negotiation, it's a power struggle at the heart of India's second largest film industry. So we want to hear from you. Do you support the workers or the producers in this strike? Which film are you most worried might get delayed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We are reading them all. And don't miss tomorrow's deep dive, how festival releases are planned and how delays can cost crores. Until then, stay tuned, stay curious and support the people behind the scenes who make movie magic possible.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.